In newer cars, if you ever see this icon right here, this means that your tire pressure is low. And then what you need to do is you need to go around and check the tire pressure of each one of the tires, because it doesn't tell you which tire is low. But if you ever see that icon, that means one of your tire pressures is low. And so what you'll need to do is fill up that tire to the recommendation, and then it will, the light will go off. Now you can see that there is a sticker on the inside of the driver's side door. It shows you the front and the rear PSI, and then it also shows you the spare. That's going to be a little bit higher because it's one of those smaller tires. But once you determine what the PSI is, you'll then go around and check each tire. That will show you which one needs to be adjusted. Now when we went around and tested all the tires, and we got to this one here, and you can see that the pressure on that, it should be 33, and it's just a little bit over, well, it's about 29. So this is the tire that needs to be filled up. So we'll go ahead and fill the tire up, then the light will go off. So we're going to go ahead and fill up the tire pressure. And you can see we're still below the 33, so we'll just keep filling it up until we get to 33. So we should be close. We're at 34, that's close enough. We'll keep it there. And you just go ahead and put the cap back on, and you should be good to go. Now I've filled up the tire, but as you can see, the light is still on, and it will stay on until you drive a little bit. So I'll go ahead and then the light should turn off. So after driving less than a block, the light has turned off, and now I'm good to go.